Hi, in this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how to add a custom header in your WordPress website or web page. I'm going to do it with the help of plugin called Elementor Header and Footer. Go to plugin, add new, click footer. You can see here Elementor Header and Footer plugin. Install now, activate it. After installation, you have to go to appearance. In here you will find Elementor Header and Footer option. Click this option. Here we go. Now it's time to build a new header. Add new. You will get an interface like this. You can fill this form or you can skip it. I'm going to skip it. Here we go. Here are the different templates for headers. You can get display rules, entire website, or a single page, or 4-over page, or search page, or front page. Wherever you want to put this header, you can select. I'm going to put this header to all posts. In the same way, you can use the footer. You have to select wherever you want to put this footer. So in header case, here is the use rule. You can display rules, you can display headers with the help of different rules. You can add it title that test header. And if you have some rules, for example, you want to put it in login or login out or administer or editor section, then you can select it from here. But in my case, I'm not going to do so. Now our header is ready and its name is test header, and we will publish this header. Ready? Now we are going to make this header. The same process is for footer. Now I want to put some section here, like I want to make 4 elements here, and in first elements I will show some icon here, and in this element I want to show some social media icons, and here I'm going to display search bar, and here I'm going to put a button. Now our header is ready, and we just update it. Now we will take effect of this header whether it comes on a post or not. Go to your website. Here we go. Here is the post. Let me show a post. View this post. Here we go. You can see that our header is showing at the top of this post.